Hello everybody and welcome to our periodic tips and tricks session. Today I'm going to talk about delete content in 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and I would like to start with a short explanation about the differences between delete and remove. When deleting an object, the object is deleted permanently from the database and cannot be restored. However, when removing an object, the object is not deleted from the database. It is only being detached from its context. So you can still retrieve it using the search. For example, you can remove a document from a bookmark, or you can remove an item from a library. Now, depending on the application you are using, the delete and remove commands might be available in the application action bar. As you can see here in this example, both remove and delete commands are available in the bookmark action bar when selecting a document. Now, using the delete command, you will delete the document from the database, and therefore it won't be displayed anymore in the bookmark. Using the remove command, you remove the document from the bookmark, but it will remain in the database, only not connected anymore to the bookmark, and you can still use the search to search for this document. Both commands, remove and delete, are also available in the document context menu. Now, since our 2021 XFD04, you can also select and delete objects directly from the search results. Multi-selection is supported both for delete and remove. Let's look at some use cases. I have in the database 4 BIMI documents, and for the purpose of the demo, I will pin the search results into my dashboard. Let's place it on the right side of the tab, and I select those 4 documents and add them into the BIMI documents bookmark. Now, first use case, I select a document in the bookmark, and from the right mouse click, I delete it. I get a message, ask me if I'm sure I want to delete the document permanently. And the document is deleted from the database and therefore also removed from the bookmark. Now, once I refresh the search, the document doesn't appear in the search results anymore. Now I select another document and click on remove. The document is removed from the bookmark but still appears in the search results because it is not being deleted from the database. As mentioned previously, I can also delete a document from the search results. Right-click on a document and select delete. Because the document was deleted from the database, it was automatically disconnected from the bookmark. The remaining document is in state released. When attempting to delete it, I received a message saying that I cannot delete the document as I don't have the relevant rights. So there are several cases where deletion is not permitted. This is one of them. However, I can remove the released document from the bookmark. As I don't delete it, just disconnect it from the bookmark. Let's now look at another use case, dealing with physical products. I have 2 product structures, parent 1 and parent 2. As you can see, child 2 is a common child of parent 1 and parent 2, while child 1 belongs to parent 2 and it is locked by another user. Let's try to delete parent 2. When deleting an item, you get the option to delete also its structural objects. I select this option and I get a report. This kind of report is displayed when one or more objects could not be deleted. The report displays the status of the delete operation, whether it was succeeded or failed for each object in the structure. And you can see here it includes also the object's title and the reason why the operation failed. In our case, child 1 couldn't be deleted because it is locked by another user, and child 2 couldn't be deleted because it is referenced by parent 1. I hope you find it beneficial for you. Take care and see you next time.